Take a look at my crypto wallet. $5.19 million earned from launching meme coins. Not by chasing charts, not by lucky trading, just by diving on repeat really fucking well. Let me show you how I do it. Now, I used to trade every single day trying to make money by trading crypto meme coins, but every single time I bought into a brand new coin which I thought I was early, I ended up being exit liquidity on every single coin. I am sure you guys went through this phase before. Now bro, over and over again I just lost money and my crypto wallet got drained over and over again. Now that's exactly why I went from trading to launching meme coins, because by deving you have full control over all your coins, but if you keep trading you could lose all your money at any given moment. Okay, as a creator you have completely nothing to lose. You can just launch, dump and repeat over and over again and make generational wealth. And by the way, with Solana fucking spiking and Bitcoin pushing $120,000, this is the best time to start deving. That's exactly why I'm making this video. Make sure to keep watching. And by the way, this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's all made with AI, so please don't copy me. Cap! Now most people go to Pump.Fun to dev meme coins and to make some money, but the truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's non-stop coin launches and most have zero visibility. So if you were to launch a coin on Pump.Fun, you will not make any money just because it's oversaturated and you are not special than other people. And since you don't control the liquidity, you are just another buyer in your own project, and if you are up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even remove that money because it's Pump.Fun that controls it, not you. And that's exactly why I now launch my coins on Create Tokens.io, because on this platform all your coins goes to the Raydium DEX immediately, which means it's immediately migrated and shown to buyers immediately. Your coin will literally be seen by thousands of potential traders and investors. It's actually crazy. That's exactly why thousands of people use Create Tokens.io. Now on this platform you've got two clear simple ways to dev a meme coin. The first way is to build a coin from scratch. So basically you are creating a whole custom new coin on the blockchain. So go on Twitter, X, right, and pick a meme or a trend. Okay, it could be literally anything. I like to go for something funny, that has views, anything. No, that. Oh, wait, let me see what happened here. Yeah, that's good because he walked inside a glass window. That could be good. Just anything, right? That's trending. After that, come back to Create Tokens.io, invent a name, add a symbol, and just slap in the quick meme coin logo by screenshotting anything. And then, after a couple more steps, your coin is live on the blockchain and tradable from the start. But the second method, though, that's my favorite one because it's my go-to and the most profitable. That's the copy trending coins tab. Now all these coins here are all moving on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy them here and it will launch instantly onto Raydium. And since the hype is already baked in, you will see instant traffic and stronger profits from the start. Copying coins is the move in 2025. That's exactly why everybody is copying coins right now. Okay, time to move on. We're gonna stop yapping. I'm hitting launch on the coin and we're going to make some bread together. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected to the website, then click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the BNB Tard because it's kind of funny. The PFP is like the BNB logo and it has a last buy 4 seconds ago and a $31,000 market cap. So click on create coin. Ignore the warning and the block from Phantom. Every single person is gonna get this. Just go through it. So boom, 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 and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Just be patient. Boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is basically the market maker. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to do. We're just adding liquidity so buyers can get in and sellers can cash out right away through your Raydium DEX right away. Okay, now first is the amount token A. Just tap the 90% button on the right hand side, okay, and that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool right under for the amount token B. This acts as your very first buy, okay? It's your very first buy. Think of it as seeding the pool. You are not spending anything. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you close out the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you, okay? So it will return back inside your wallet. You are just doing the first buy. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL just to be safe, just to have more than the minimum, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh and scroll down, and boom, the BNB target is now live. Anyways, our profits are right here. Now if you click on the refresh button right here, now our PNL went up to $211 because people are now buying the coin through Axiom or the meme scope section. And yeah, anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Let's see what happens. We're already up a couple $100, as you guys know. 1.5k in market cap. Things are looking juicy. Come on, let's go. 60 bucks. That's good, bro. Right inside our fucking pockets. $11. Ooh, someone just sold. Come on, we need more buyers. The volume is looking decent for a good beginning. One more buy and I'm gonna be really happy, bro. Come on now, come on. Okay, 10 bucks, that's not bad, okay? That's still more than minimum wage. Now, this is what I like about this strategy, okay? You can just do this over and over again, copy coins, non-shit, dump it, and just rinse and repeat. It's really fucking great. Now, 40 bucks, 70 bucks, ooh, that hit me hard, bro. Now, I do believe that it's gonna go back up, 20 bucks, $40, that's good, come on. Traction is coming back. Oh, that hurts. Come on. Now guys, do not be emotional like me. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Okay, should I dump the coin or not? Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump, okay? I still believe in the coin. Now, I'm gonna be right back, and when I am back, we're going to make some money. You guys will see how. Okie dokie guys, I am back and we're at the 3.3k market cap, 1.6k in liquidity. Things are looking good. Now, for example, if you launch a coin, right, and you want to make some money, well, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are now up 1.8k in USD with a 2.4k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin by clicking on the red button. And as you guys can see, we are now up at 7.4 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money on the side. If I open my Phantom White for proof, boom! 1.8k all in my fucking wallet, and it's all real. Look, it's real.